In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your name on iPhone lock screen. And I'm sure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. At first, you need to swipe down your iPhone screen, right? Click on this focus. Click on the work, right? Once it has opened up, click on this, cancel this. You're going to see some options, right? Click on this plus icon. What do you want to focus on? Just click on this custom, right? At first, select your name. You can enter your name, right? You can enter Daniel, right? Then you're going to choose the sticker you want, right? For this. So I can just select, I'll select this bulb, right? So this is it. So click on the next. Once I click on the next, click on this customize focus, right? So it has come up, right? So I'm going to go back, swipe down your iPhone, right? Hold on this focus. You're going to see that name just appeared. So I'm going to turn it on, right? I'm going to turn it on. So whenever your iPhone screen locks, if it wants to turn on, look down below. You're going to see your name is going to appear, right? So Daniel is currently turned on. So this is basically how you can add your name on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.